Do you feel the vibes?
What's up guys, my name is Adrian and today we are a new room tour vlog video. My room is a standard, it's little bright. The walls are green and I have posters. My desk, I have television and next to computer. Under the desk, I have trunk and put of the PlayStation. It's in front of the rolling chair. My bed is medium and there are many tablets. Next to my bed is my closet with my clothes and up with toys. And my clothes next door has bookshelf with movies, toys, books and perfumes. And to say goodbye, if you like it, and subscribe. See you later. Bye.
3, 2